Hello and welcome to today's Deal Space. To take us through the week's deals announcements, we have with us our reporters. The week began with Reliance Power agreeing to buy JP's hydro assets. To speak more on this deal, we have with us Malvika Joshi. Hi Malvika, what does this deal mean for both the companies?
Vivina, it's certainly an important deal both for our power as well as Jaiprakash JP Group, which has been grappling with a lot of debt, about 60,000 odd crores. So last week, late on Sunday, Reliance Power announced that it has agreed to buy all the hydro assets of Jaiprakash Power Ventures, which would be about 1,800 megawatts of total capacity. While they did not disclose the deal value, it is estimated to be around 12,000 odd crores. It is important for Reliance Power because it would, after the deal is completed, Reliance Power will be the largest private sector hydro power producer in the country, as well as last week we saw that Taka pulled out, which was initially supposed to buy. Taka-led consortium was supposed to buy two of these hydropower assets of Jaiprakash Ventures in about 9,689 odd crore deal, which did not happen. So obviously, the whole plan of cutting debt, which JP Group has been planning to do, would have sort of fallen off. But it looks like that our power has come to their rescue. But the question remains how Reliance Power is going to fund this deal. We hear that they are basically going to go in for refinancing of this loan by getting in cheaper foreign loans, as well as they're planning to rope in an equity partner, which will invest in Reliance Clean Gen, which is basically agreed to buy these hydro assets of JP. That's pretty much it. So good news for both companies. Yeah.
Thank you, Malvika. From Reliance Power to Flipkart, this week Flipkart raised $1 billion. To speak more on that, we have with us Zahra Khan. Hi, Zahra. Tell us more on this. Give us more details on Flipkart.
Hi Vivina. So India's largest online retailer did make history when it raised 1 billion in fresh capital from new and existing investors this week. So this is the largest, a single round of funding for into any Indian internet company, and the company said that they will be using the proceeds, for long-term strategic investments, and which mainly means that a lot of money will be going into mobile technology, because the company has this long-term vision of being a mobile company of the future. But there's a lot of speculation around the valuation of the company, but the more reliable figure is that company is around 7 billion as of today. Vivina, what makes this announcement very interesting is that a day after Flipkart said that it is raising, it has raised 1 billion. Amazon, which is the largest retailer and one of the biggest competition for Flipkart in India, that Jeff Bezos announced that it will be pumping in $2 billion into India, to become the largest, the market leader in India, and that position is right now enjoyed by Flipkart. So a lot of investors are showing a lot of confidence and interest into the Indian e-commerce story, and it'll be very interesting to see how this whole thing pans out maybe a couple of years from today. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Zara. This week, we also saw Inox, the second largest multiplex company, buying out Satyam Cineplex, which is a Delhi-based company. To speak more on this deal, we have with us Pooja Sarkar. Hi, Pooja. Give us more details on this deal.
Hi Vivina. So this week we saw that Inox has bought out Satyam Cineplexes, and Satyam Cineplexes, with this acquisition, Inox now has 358 screens. They still are the second largest player after PVR, but this strengthens their position in New Delhi and the northern region where they were not present earlier. And we have been also hearing from bankers that apart from the fact that they paid 182 crore as equity, they have paid another 60 crores to take over the debt. So IFCI, which was an investor in Satyam Cineplexes, have made an exit from that transaction. And as we hear from bankers, a lot more transactions in the multiplex space will continue to happen this year, and there will be more consolidation in this space.
Thank you, Pooja. So that's all from the deal space today. For more updates, log on to livemin.com.